Hey guys, welcome to Operation Crypto. We're going to take a look at Chainlink today, do some price analysis and have a look what's going on through the asset in the USDT and the BTC pairings. We've got the all-time highs marked up here at $53 and we have had quite a decent pullback. If you look at the very highs to the very lows, we did a 74% pullback, which is it's about average for what altcoins have done over the last 3 months. Bitcoin, it managed to hit that new all-time high at 69k, and ultimately it's brought the rest of the market down when it has dropped all the way down to, what did we drop to? I think we dropped to 33k. So yeah, it's put the rest of the market down with it, and that's no exception for altcoins. So we are downtrending and you can't get away from that. And what you need to do when you're downtrending is look at levels below where you could potentially buy them. There's one key area we want to identify first. This is a weekly time frame. And we've got 2 big levels of weekly support down here. And this is the biggest one where, personally, I don't see us dropping any lower. That's at 1334. We're currently at 1561. If you're looking for buys on Chainlink, I would bang some there. We've already tapped it once, twice, and probably in the past we've done a bit of a support there. So it's just a key level. What you're looking for when you plot support and resistance levels, 2 taps of that same level is good, but more taps are better. So we've had around 3 to 4 taps there, so that completely validates that is a valid area of support. And for me, again, if you're looking for buys, that is an area I would consider. We have got another weekly level down here at 474. Personally, I do not see that happening, but we just need to be wary. If Bitcoin does dump, because the global outlook on things is looking a little bit bleak, economic crisis is all over the world, we've got potential war looming, and it could just have a negative effect on the traditional markets, which would spill over into cryptocurrency. So just be wary. If we did get a pullback across the markets, do not be worried about price coming down here. So just keep some spare tether just there in case the market does dump. I don't think it will. I think this will hold up, and I think we might bounce soon. But like I say, just be wary and have some tether prepared down here, because even if it does dump, do not worry about it. These are just opportunities to buy. When the price goes up here, people are wanting to throw everything they've got at it. When the price is back down here, people are interested. And fundamentally, Chainlink and many other assets have not changed, so it is a good time to buy. Looking at the moving averages, we have had a bearish cross on the weekly time frame, which is not ideal. And then dropping down to the daily time frame, again we've had a bearish cross here on the 19th of January. Looking at RSI, it is around 36%, so we've got plenty of room to grow, but we've still got plenty of room to drop, and that's why I could foresee a drop down to this 1342 level. In terms of Fibonacci's, if you look at the move there, and we've lost that golden ratio level, we've come back up and rejected off it, but maybe if you're looking to ladder orders in from this price here, 1575 down to 1344, maybe 2 to 3 orders in there and then save for that big bad boy down there just in case we do get a shakeout. But we've had a bearish cross. We need to start seeing some volume pumped back into this, and like the rest of the market, volume is down, sentiment's down, views is down, everything is down, and it's just unfortunate, but that's where it is. And all I see this is an opportunity. So looking at the current price, it is looking bearish. Had a bearish cross there, but remember, all it takes is a few candles to get back above here and we start seeing some positive price action. We need to really reclaim this 20 and the 50 to get any type of bullish price action. And we're talking about we need to get back above 17.38, and then reality get back above towards that $20 region. And I think the market will then start to push up. The next target after that, we'll need to really get up towards this downtrend and retest that at $27. Couple of levels if you're looking to sell, if you're buying at these prices now. And obviously we've got this first level here at 1932. But then we also have, so I'll mark it up, so we've got this level here at 1938, and then we've also got this level here. 2 levels that we need to really target. Obviously, we're going to reject off that 50. We always do. Whenever we come up and tap it, we do get a slight rejection, so you might get some sells there. And then obviously we've got a bit of a daily support level here. There's probably more wicks that touch it. I mean, you could drag it all the way to there if you look at that. It's a clear daily level of resistance, so that's up at 28.63. I think that's a long way off yet though. The market's, like I say, very indecisive, and we just need to be patient to see what goes on. I'm not going to look at any levels above there because we are still in a downtrend on the high time frames and things aren't looking too good, but That's the levels to buy. So we've got pretty much, I'd say what, from 1575 down to that weekly support of 1346, and then keep some spare tether just in case we do get a big nasty shake out to the downside and look at that $4.80. I'm not going to look at any levels above. I'm not going to definitely look at any levels below that because that will not happen in my opinion. All-time highs at $53. That will be broke at some stage in the future. So that's that pair covered. I just want to have a look at the BTC pairing too. We'll have a look at Link BTC. I think that was a good chance that if you are trading in Satoshis, not many people do these days, but if you are looking to trade in sats, there's some good levels that could be achieved. So we are now into this level I marked up last time, a weekly level of support down at 3,700 sats. I remember it saying last time we were trading here, I was saying, look, you need to start loading orders in from 5,000 sats down to 3,600. And that's exactly what's happened. The price has dropped down to this region, and it is a clear, confluent area. Whether we drop below that now, unsure, but we need to just monitor the price and see what goes on. Let's have a look on a weekly though, see if we've got any levels below we can potentially target. You could say that's a weekly level there. If you look at these two taps here, 3, 4, all the way down, that's a weekly level down at 2,400 Satoshis. One thing that will drive this price down in Satoshi pairs, if Bitcoin does go on a rally. If Bitcoin starts to push up and it starts to pull back market dominance, because it's currently at around, Bitcoin market dominance is 43%. If that starts rallying, Satoshis are going to start to drop. So if you're looking for buys, look down there at 2,400 sats, because if we lose this level, it probably will pull us back down to that region. And then likewise, if you're looking for sells, we've got this moving average 20, where you could look to target selling pressure at 4,750, but I do not envisage it happening, to be honest. I think there's a good chance that we will lose this level. I think there's a higher chance that Bitcoin rallies and Satoshis do start to get wrecked. So look to target those areas down that way. Looking at the RSI on the daily time frame, it's pretty much down towards the bottom here. Every time we've been here, if you look in the past, at that level there, which is similar to where we are now, we was here and we did a bounce. If you look at this in terms of a, we'll put some arrows on. So look, when was here, we bounced up to there. When was here, same again, we had a nice bounce from there to there, and then vice versa. When we was here, we also did a bounce too to that upside. So plenty of areas for you to look at in terms of outside bounces, and that could be a decent area to potentially load up if we do get a bounce. But we need really Link the dollar pair to really start performing in order for that to happen. So that's going to do it for today. That's analysis on Chainlink. Don't cover it so much on this channel, but I'm looking to try and get at least an update once or twice a week. So if you are new to this channel and you want to watch more of these updates, make sure that you are subscribed, hit that like button, and I'll catch you next time.